What is going on, guys? It's your boy YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes. And today we're gonna be showing you guys the new build on the channel. So let's get to revealing it. So as you guys can see, it's gonna be a 1998 Honda Civic hatchback. The color is Cosmo Pearl, has the energy quick release, automatic. I know y'all get butthurt. Also I got side skirts for it, aftermarket exhaust, and yeah, that's basically it. It's pretty mint. So today we're just gonna be starting it, getting it going for the year, and hopefully we can start the turbo build pretty soon. So let's start it up. Let's put the battery in because it's been sitting for over a while, so definitely put the battery in, check the oil, and start it up and see if she's mint. So here it is, boys. D16Y7, painted valve cover header, but that's gonna get replaced. A little bit crusty from the winter it sat out here, but you know, we're gonna get to work. So first thing, gonna check, put in the battery, just from over there, and then second, gonna check the oil, then probably prime it, and then we'll start her up. All right, so oil is in. Oil's good. Battery's in. Let's crank it. I hear the fuel pump. Let's give her a crank. Oh, I need to adjust the battery. All right, let's start her up. First start, wrong key. Epic. Little bit hard, but honestly the car starts hard no matter what, because it comes with the 200cc injectors, and then I've actually put the 240 injectors in because I knew I was going to turbo the car. So yeah, she's mint, baby. All right, guys, so that's gonna sum up the video. Basically just showed you guys the new turbo build that we're going to be doing, and then we started it up. So stay tuned, videos are going to become awesome. The whole turbo build will be on my channel, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And it's YKTV Frenchie, and y'all know the vibes, and peace.